Music to your ears, understanding this enchanting English idiom. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom that sounds quite magical. Music to one's ears. This phrase is not just about music, but it carries a deeper meaning in communication and expression. Stay with us as we delve into the essence of this idiom, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday English conversations. The phrase, music to one's ears, is an idiom that is used to describe a situation or information that is very pleasant or gratifying to hear. It's like hearing a beautiful melody that brings joy to your heart. However, the music in this context is not literal music but rather good news or positive feedback that makes someone feel happy and content. This idiom has been in use for centuries, and while its exact origins are unclear, it is deeply rooted in the universal appreciation for music as a source of comfort and joy. Over time, it has become a popular way to express satisfaction or happiness upon hearing good news or favorable information. Usage examples: when she heard she had passed the exam with flying colors, it was music to her ears. Finding out the project was a success was music to his ears after months of hard work. Understanding and using idioms like music to one's ears can significantly enhance your English fluency and make your conversations more vibrant. Here's how you can incorporate this idiom into your daily English. Express joy or satisfaction. Use it when you want to express that you're delighted to hear something. React to good news. When someone shares something positive, respond with, "That's music to my ears," to show your pleasure. In written communication, though more common in spoken English, it can also add a touch of personality to your emails or messages when conveying your happiness about the information received. Music to one's ears is more than just an idiom. It's a beautiful way to express the joy of hearing good news or pleasant information. Whether you're engaging in casual conversation or want to add some flair to your English, understanding and using this phrase can truly enrich your language skills. We hope this video has been music to your ears, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.